Welcome back, everyone. Let me show you what I've been working on for the past 2 months. So, without further ado, here's the bird coop. But not to worry, our animals still get the benefits of free ranging. The coop is only for their protection. We have a growing community and a lot of adventure. Our 2-story bird coop here was made mostly from unwanted and recycled materials. I wanted it big, but I also needed a lot of access, so I decided to design it with multiple sliding doors, as well as sliding floors. There is our first floor, where we keep our mamas as well as babies for integration. We repurposed unwanted kitchen cabinets into our nesting boxes. Let me tell you that if you didn't know, chickens love grass, they love hay, they love soft things, and that's where they lay. Of course, they still need to purge. Before, our turkeys would leave the property to lay their eggs elsewhere, but as you can see, they're already comfortable enough to lay their eggs here in the bird coop. Let's give her some privacy. As I said before, here they get to come and go as they please. Free ranging is better for them physically and mentally. Happier chickens, better eggs. That's the bird coop for you. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.